Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the last class, we did this dua at the bottom of the screen. So we'll just briefly revise it before we move on to the next. So would anybody volunteer who knows this dua really well? Shifa or Abir maybe?
I know.
Brother Riza raised his hand, but let Shifa do it first. Inshallah, we come back to you, Brother Riza.
That was a beer.
I'm sorry, Abir. Okay, go ahead, Abir.
Okay. Rabbana, which one?
This is the bottom one. Rabbana atina.
Okay. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا, O our Lord, آتنا, give us, fi, in, الدنيا, the world, حسنة, good, wa, and, fi, in, الآخرة, the hereafter, حسنة, good, wa, and, qina, wa, and, qi, save, na, us, azaba, punishment, and nar, the fire. O our Lord, give us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and save us from the punishment of the fire.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. So maybe I can get help from Brother Riza in the next one, just to save some time, inshallah. Okay, the next dua. So we can say this dua too, or we can add this dua to the other duas. Allahumma inni zalamtu nafsi zulman kathira wa la yaghfiru dhunuba illa ant. So maybe just focus on this part first. Allahumma. This is not the first time we are talking about this. Allahumma came before. So Brother Riza, what's the meaning of Allahumma?
Oh Allah.
Oh Allah. Inni. What's the meaning of inni, Brother Riza?
Indeed I.
I.
Sorry, indeed I.
So what are the two words in it, brother?
Inna and plus ni. Inni.
So inna plus ni. And when they are merged together, inna plus ni becomes inni. Indeed I. Indeed I. Okay. Next word. So up till now, oh Allah, indeed I. No doubt I. Zalamtu. Zalamtu.
I did wrong.
So what chapter that belongs to, brother?
Zalama yazlimu. Zaraba yazribu.
Daraba yadribu. Yeah. So this is the second chapter we did. Zalama yazlimu. Can you start from give us the meaning of zalama, the first word?
Zalama means he went wrong.
Yeah, he did wrong. He wronged.
Or
so
he wronged.
Can you do the TPI and reach zalama, zalamtu,
Sure.
and give us the meaning?
Zalama, zalamu, zalamta, zalamtum, zalamtu, zalamna. Here is zalamtu means I did wrong, I wronged, or okay. I went wrong.
Nafsi.
Nafsi means myself.
Myself. So is this an example of a attached pronoun or no?
It is.
This is. So it was nafsun. Nafsun. Nafs means soul. And then we made it light, became nafsu, and then we attached to pronouns. It will be nafsuhu, nafsuhum, nafsuka, nafsukum, nafsi, my nafs, my nafs. Nafs means soul, my soul. That's the literal meaning. My soul, or in other words, we can say myself. Myself. So nafsuhu, himself. Nafsuhum, themselves. Nafsuka, yourself. Nafsukum, uh, yourself, like in plural form. And nafsi, myself, and nafsuna, ourselves. So nafsi, myself. So up till now it will be, oh Allah, indeed I wronged. I was unjust. Nafsi, to myself. I wronged myself. Zulman. What's the meaning of zulman, Brother Reza?
Means wrong.
So what is this? This is Madi, Mudare, what is it?
Is it
Hmm?
is none.
So what is it then?
Master.
Yeah, it is
It's a
Mastar.
master. It's a
This is the
master.
last word. Yeah, that's
True
right.
wrong.
Zulman, Zulman. It could be Zulmun, Zulman, Zulmin. It's the same word. Doesn't matter. Zulman. So this is, so what's the meaning of Zulm then?
Zone means wrong.
Wrong. All right. Kathiran. What is Kathiran meaning?
Kasiran, not many times or
Yeah, a lot.
a lot.
Yeah, a lot. So if I combine, can you combine, Brother Riza?
Sure. Oh Allah, indeed I did or wronged or did wrong myself. A lot of wrong.
A lot of wrong. Yeah. Oh Allah, indeed I wronged myself. A lot of wrong. Okay. Okay, Brother Naeem, can you help me with the remaining ayah, remaining dua?
ولا يغفر ولا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت and la not يغفر is غفر يغفر like ba daraba yadribu he he forgive or he will forgive.
Okay. So this is Bab Daraba. What is the masdar for this one?
Igfir
Masdar, brother.
or masdar غفر
Ghufran or maghfirah.
مغفرة.
Maghfirah. Okay.
الذنوب the sins illa except anta you.
Okay.
And he will not forgive the he will not forgive the sins except you.
Except you. All right. Good. Thank you. So if I do this again, I combine it. Oh Allah, indeed I wronged myself. A lot of wrong. And he will not forgive the sins. This is a plural word, sins. The singular is zambun, and zunub is the plural, sins. So, and he will not forgive the sins except you. There is a problem here. He will not forgive the sins. It's not making good sense. This is a way of saying that nobody will forgive the sins. No one will forgive the sins except you. This is a Arabic way of saying this. Okay. So what will be the translation again combined? Oh Allah, indeed I wronged myself, a lot of wrong, and nobody or no one will forgive the sins except you. Okay, I will do the remaining part. Fa. So, can somebody tell me what is this word? How to read it?
Igfir.
Fair. So there is no haraka on this hamza, but we know it is ghafara yaghfiru. Yaghfiruna, taghfiru, taghfiruna. Aghfiru, naghfiru. And then ighfir, forgive. You forgive. So this is Failul Amr, singular. So forgive. Li, for me. Maghfira. Ghafara, yaghfiru. If you continue with this pattern, the masdar is maghfira or ghufran, right? So this is the other masdar. Maghfira, forgiveness. So forgive for me a forgiveness. Min, we should remember this. Never forget this. Min means from, because it comes in Quran so many times. Min means from. Indika, near you. Indika means near you. This is an example of attached pronoun. So, forgive for me a forgiveness from near you. Wa. And can somebody tell me what is this word?
Irhamni.
Irham.
Irhamni.
Yeah, so it is two words, irham plus ni. Irham and ni. Irham, we will inshallah we'll learn this in the next chapter. So it is rahima yarhamu, and this is failun amr. Irham, put mercy, be merciful. Ni, me. Irhamni, be merciful to me. Innaka, it's the same inna which was here, right? Inna means indeed. Inna, indeed. Ka, you. Indeed, you. Anta, it's a detached pronoun. Huwa, hum. Anta, antum. Anta means you. Indeed, you. You. You see, repetition of you. Indeed, you. You. Al-Ghafur. Ghafur. Again, this is a derived noun from the same pattern, from this maghfirah. Ghafur. You see, we know ghafir. Ghafir is the one who forgives. That will be ismul fa'il. Ghafara yaghfiru, ghafir, ghafiruna, ghafirina. Ism fa'il. So ghafir means the one who forgives. And ghafur means the one who is extremely forgiving. The one who forgives a lot. This is called ismul mubalagha. And ar-Rahim we already know. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, the last word of Bismillah. Rahim is from Raham again. So Irham and Rahim, they have the same origin. And Rahim means continuously merciful, always merciful. So if I combine, what it will be? So forgive for me, or it can be so forgive me a forgiveness from near you. What does that mean? From near you. It doesn't make very good English sense. The translation is not good. What it means is here, I want a forgiveness which is especially from you. I don't want ordinary, like just or regular forgiveness. I want a forgiveness that is from you, special forgiveness. And why I want special forgiveness? Because I have done a lot of zulm. So just regular forgiveness may not be sufficient. You have to give me your special forgiveness. But this is what it really means. So forgive me, or forgive for me a forgiveness especially from you, which is in your possession. So forgive me a forgiveness especially from you, and be merciful to me. Indeed, you are the one who is extremely forgiving, always merciful. The repetition is to put emphasis here that you are the only one who is extremely forgiving, always merciful. This is an Arabic way of putting emphasis in something. So if I combine all this, it will be, oh Allah, indeed, I wronged myself, a lot of wrong. Or you can say, oh Allah, I wronged myself a lot, and nobody will forgive the sins except you. So forgive me a forgiveness, especially from you, and be merciful to me. Indeed, you are the one who is extremely forgiving, always merciful. So I will stop here. Any questions? Any questions? Well, if there is no question, then we can go to the practice rooms, inshallah.